Let's dive into some advanced homophones that can really sharpen your language skills. First up, we have stationary, meaning not moving, and stationary, which refers to writing materials. For example, the car remained stationary at the red light, while I bought some new stationery, including pens and notebooks. Next, consider principle, a rule or belief, versus principal, the head of a school. Honesty is a vital principle in life, and the school principal gave an inspiring speech this morning. Then there's compliment, something that completes, and compliment, a kind remark. The wine is a perfect complement to the meal, and she received a lovely compliment on her dress. Affect means to influence, while effect is the result of that influence. The weather can affect my mood, and the new policy had a positive effect on sales. Elicit means to draw out a response, contrasting with illicit, which refers to something illegal. The teacher tried to elicit answers from the students, while illicit activities can lead to serious consequences. We also have allusion, an indirect reference, and illusion, a false perception. His speech contained an allusion to Shakespeare, while the magician's trick was just an illusion. Eminent means famous or respected, while imminent indicates something about to happen. She is an eminent scientist, and a storm is imminent, so we should stay indoors. Discreet means careful or tactful, and discreet refers to something separate. He gave me discreet advice about my career, and the project was divided into discrete phases. Finally, forward is the introduction of a book, while forward means ahead. The author wrote a touching foreword, and please move forward in the line. Being aware of these subtle differences can greatly enhance your vocabulary and understanding of English. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun with English. That's all for now. Signing off. Bye, Kevin.